Hey everyone, Caleb from Vivid Lumen here, and today I just wanted to talk a little bit about why off-road lighting is so important. We all know how fun it can be to rip up the road with your buddies after work and hit some mud. Trust me, we all love it. But what happens when you get carried away and now you're stuck in a sand or mud pit? Your afternoon trip turned into a midnight trip. Our lights bring everything to the table, from floods, spots, light bars, and as simple as rock lights. Remember, sight is one of your 5 senses. Making sure you're able to see where you're going is vital to adventuring in the dark. Now let's get into the logistics of why they're so important. Lighting lets you know exactly what is upcoming and if there are any dangers like animals or debris. Our Midnight series is generally mounted on the roof, bumper, or grille, as they were designed to shine light as far out in front of your vehicle while flooding the light towards the edges. On the other hand, our FNG series floods and fog lights are actually meant to be installed lower. We also have our FNG spots, which usually are mounted a little bit higher, and they actually shoot the light a lot further than our floods and our fogs. We also carry street legal pods, which are ECE approved, so you can use them on and off the trail. Last but not least, if you're not much of an off-roader and you just want some solid bright lights, you can look at our Velocity line, which is replacement bulbs for any headlight housing. All of our products at Vivid Lumen aren't just sleek, but they perform as well as they look. And don't worry, even our pens have lifetime warranty, just like our lights. Remember guys, lighting plays a big role in our safety on and off the mountain, and will also make your rigs look badass. And yeah, they're bright.